Chromis technology was started a little over 2 years ago as an asterisk-based telephony reseller. We partnered with both Digium and Polycom to provide telephony solutions to Arizona and the southwest region of the United States. I'm Garcia. I'm the Director of Marketing, CMO if you will, for Chromis Technology. I wear many different hats, from pre-sales engineering to post-sales engineering to everything and anything in between. Our customers expect from Chromis Technology a full turnkey solution from pre-sales engineering to post-sales support and everything in between. Chromis Technology, as I said, is a fairly young company, and so one of the very first things we did when we were designing our company and decided who we wanted to be was go out and get our Polycom certification. Polycom products are very cost effective. They have a full line from low end to high end and a full range in between of products that fit virtually any business environment. So if I've got a call center and they need very basic functionality, I can go with the lower end phone versus I've got an executive who needs all the fancy controls at his fingertips. I've got a solution for that. I've got a small conference room. They've got a solution for that. If I've got a large conference room, they've got a solution for that. So it's a very well-rounded suite of products that Polycom offers. You can walk into a conference room anywhere in the country and there more than likely is going to be a Polycom conference phone in that conference room. The star design is recognizable and familiar to just about everyone who's done business in the past 10 or 15 years. The features that appeal to customers are ease of use and sound quality. They don't much care for what's going on technically underneath, but they want a good quality sounding conference call. So when they're using it, is it easy to dial? Absolutely. Does it sound good? Absolutely. We really don't want to use a speakerphone as a conference phone because if there's more than one, maybe two people in the room, it's really not a good setup. There are going to be people who are not going to be heard on that conference call. So it's not an ideal setup to use a desk phone as a conference phone. The other thing that a lot of customers are starting to appreciate, but it's not yet gone totally mainstream, is HD voice. HD voice is a wideband codec that allows for a greater band of audio to be transmitted. We're very, very successful in attaching conference phones because we include them on every single quote that we send out, every single initial quote that we send out. If we didn't have the IP conference phones as part of our turnkey, well-rounded, full lineup, there would be a giant hole and our customers would seek elsewhere for a product that filled that void. And so it would be difficult for us to provide an end-to-end solution without the Polycom conference phones. IP conference phones have impacted our revenues tremendously. By adding IP conference phones to quotes and in turn selling those conference phones, we're not able to just sell the hardware that we're pitching, but we're also able to sell software and services that go along with those IP conference phones, and that increases both margin and revenue. Adding IP conference phones have probably added about 30% to our margins and revenues. The Polycom brand influence makes it easy for us to compete because everyone is familiar with that star phone conference design. So even if they're not familiar with the desk phones, they're more than likely going to be familiar with the conference lineup. And that makes it easier for us as a reseller to go in and pitch an all Polycom solution because that brand is so recognizable.